Oh, it is.
Oh, that's quite cool.
That was the effect you wanted, right, Mike?
Yeah. I wanted more green, but sure.
Yeah, green is good in fire.
No, not bad at all.
Not going very fast, though, is it?
Discount. Yeah.
It is nailed to a post.
You could tell. That is pretty awesome.
Lasted quite a while too.
Yeah, that's all we need. That's fine.
You can stop it now.
You're on the main show. This is getting awkward.
Oh, there we go.
It changes colour.
Yeah. Now it just needs to go purple.
It should be red, white, blue.
Oh.
No, it's
Your phone is really laggy.
I was in too hard.
It's because it's dark.
Now it has all the latencies.
There you go, now it's going quickly, Matt.
And smoothly again. Orange.
Purple next.
Oh, I'm getting a lens flare from the...
Yay, J.J. Abrams directed this fireworks show.
And now I can see it for another minute.
Your stick's on fire!
I would have put wine glass.
I thought it was supposed to be electronic. It's not.
No, that's just
standard. Only
two of them.
You've not been paying attention.
That's just
Sorry.
two of them to keep them, to make sure they go at the same time.
Ah, I see. Are they next to each other though?
No.
Oh, this is anticlimactic.
Oh,
I'm sure if it gets taller, it's going to explode.
I like how everyone's got so much faith.
It's a bit low.
For my next trick.
The clouds actually still visible in this. But that one was £1.20. Just.
Better pay attention.
There you go, there's your beef bed.
A few years ago. Oh, that's better. Yeah.
You're going very high.
I just realised what Tristan.
You're kind of in front of me as well, which is exactly where all of the ones which almost hit me have landed.
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, it's not 2 in the
Well, I'll
morning?
try to catch it in my teeth if it does head in my direction. Golf applause.
They're like Catherine Rose flying.
my exam timetable.